back to another video. Today we'll be featuring the Tyrant Terminator audits. This will be one of his first audits. And he does an awesome work with upholding his rights.
Illinois Department of Motor Vehicles coming in real quick just to see if they respect our rights to, record public officials in the course of their duties and to make sure that our rights will not be trampled on by anyone at any time. Let's go. So we got the driver's license, state ID, all the permits and state ID cards, the fees and different things of that nature. Come in, you can see what everything they're recording. Well, with the charging rather.
Take this to a testing area, which is back in the corner.
The cashier?
Nah. We can't hear you.
What are you doing with the phone?
Huh?
What are you doing with the phone?
I'm just an independent journalist gathering content for a story.
You can't film
You can't record in here. There's
Really?
a sign that you cannot record right here.
You cannot record here, sir.
Prohibited. There's signs right there.
This sign right here?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Dan,
Dan, are you what's your position
I'm
here?
a supervisor.
You're a supervisor? Is there a law? Because that's just a sign.
Yeah, there's. Sir, please, can you stop recording?
Well, I'm talking to the supervisor, trying to get everything situated.
There's.
But is there a law, like I'm asking this young man?
Yes,
What?
there is a law.
Where's the? Well, I don't see any statues attached to this.
It says attention, please do not record.
Over there on the wall?
It's a state agency, you have to stop recording, sir.
Is this a private building or a public building?
You have to stop recording.
What's your name, man?
Muriel.
Are you what's your position here?
Manager.
You're because he just told me he was.
I'm a supervisor.
Okay.
Can you please stop recording?
I'm asking.
Can you please?
Can I ask you a question?
But I need you to stop recording, and then you can ask me.
I mean, but I don't want my rights infringed on, because if I have a right to do this, which has been conveyed to me that I do, then
It's not about rights.
it is about rights. It's exactly about rights.
But why do we need to record?
Well, like I just told this young man, I'm an independent journalist, and I'm gathering content for a story for possible publication.
You get a hold of the state, and then somebody will allow
But
you to do that.
well, this is a
You have to get
constitutional.
permission.
This is a constitutional protected activity.
Yeah, so you can either step out or.
I'm not. If I step out, then my rights are infringed on.
Yeah, but do you have an appointment for anything, sir? Or you just walked in the building?
I
This
mean,
is an appointment
I
only
have
facility.
I have business to conduct here as well.
Like what?
Oh, I want to see how much was the fees and how do I go
That's
by.
not- It's.
Sir, you're not even giving me a chance to answer the question.
But you're not
Respectfully.
answering my question.
I'm trying to, and you're cutting me off. Respectfully.
Can I please ask you to stop recording?
What's your name?
My name is Anthony.
Okay,
Anthony.
We're just gonna call
I'm gonna call-
non-emergency, and they're gonna come and
Yeah.
have you delete.
I just can't have you record.
This
And I
the-
apologize for whatever that you're doing.
This the thing, sir.
I'm gonna have to call, sir.
Okay, this. Why would you call the police when there's nothing nefarious going on?
I understand, but
You know what I mean? No laws are being broken. Wow. This is how they treat people at the DMV. I was told that they do this, so I guess they're gonna call the police, and we'll see what they say when they get here. I guess this is the sign that they're referring to. The use of any device, including a cell phone or tablet for photography, videotaping, or audio recording is not permitted. However, there's no statute attached to that. So there's no law. It's just a policy. And this young man here, he says he's the manager. He said he's the manager. Huh? I can't hear you.
I do not want to be recorded.
Oh, well, you're a public official, ma'am, so.
I don't want to be recorded.
Well, you probably should get a job in the private sector.
That's my right.
No, not in public. There's no expectation to privacy in public.
Sir, can I please ask you, I'm trying to be polite, I don't want to, no application.
I understand what you're saying, sir, but this is my right.
But it's not.
Our right not to be recorded either.
Respectfully,
If you're not,
I do have official business here, like I just told this man.
that's fine. Then
I did.
What is your official business?
You cut me off.
If you
So
do,
what is your official business?
you have to stop recording.
Okay, so in order to conduct business in the DMV, I have to stop recording.
Correct.
Even though it's my First Amendment right to record.
Yes, sir.
So you're going to infringe on that.
You're infringing.
I'm asking you respectfully because it's going to come down on you personally, sir.
How
No,
is
it's
it? No,
not.
it's not, ma'am.
This came
sir.
from, and I can get you communications phone number, you can call and talk to them.
Okay.
If you want.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Karen. If you want
Okay.
to record as a journalist, you can go through communications and they can set something up.
Okay.
That's what you need to do. Get me the number for communications. But sir, you need to stop, and you need to stop now.
What-
Are the police on the way?
What's your position here, ma'am?
Are the police on the way?
I have to make sure when I file a complaint on who do I...
Are the police on the way?
Of course, because this is...
Complain. You walk in here, you do nothing but record us. You have no official business.
But is that a crime?
You cannot film in this building.
Is it a crime?
You cannot film in this building.
No one wants to answer that.
Oh my goodness.
Is it a crime, sir? I don't think that it is.
Remember, guys, it's not a crime to film in public. Is your right your First Amendment right?
I told them I have official business to conduct here. They tell me that I can conduct my business if I give up my First Amendment right. That's going to be some. That's pretty serious. That's pretty serious. Way to go.
Now serving 116.
Security, I can tell that the security guy here,
6.
he's trying to de-escalate. He's put in a compromised situation. But this is what you get when you hire private security for public entities. Hey, so security. Let me see if he'll have a dialogue right quick. Hey, so security, can I speak with you?
If you stop recording, yes. If not, I'm terminating. The police are on their way, just to let you know.
I'm just saying, you guys are recording as well.
Sure, this is a facility. Of course we're
But I'm saying, did I give you permission to record me? Oh, you don't need it. That's exactly my point, sir. Okay, all right. Just trying to make a point here. So I guess the police is gonna come. I definitely can't wait for them to show up. Hopefully they'll educate everyone here to let them know that what I'm doing is constitutionally protected under the First Amendment. We'll see. We'll definitely see. And this young lady right here, yeah, the one with the blue striped shirt right there, she thinks that that's an expectation to privacy in public as a public official. Wow. Wow. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Sir, are you willing to have a dialogue? Peaceful dialogue? Okay. That's all.
Here is the number for our communications department.
Oh, she don't want you to give it to me. Oh, okay. Well, you're trying to de-escalate, sir. I appreciate that, but she's obviously hindering you. So.
all trying to de-escalate. We don't
Yeah, I know. I know.
So just stop recording. The problem's over.
But then I'm giving up my rights.
Not really.
I am, if you think about it.
Not necessarily. But that's okay.
If you think about it, I am.
The police are on their way, so it's whatever.
Oh, okay. I'm glad that hopefully they'll educate you guys.
Maybe.
If they do, would you apologize?
I didn't do anything wrong.
No, I'm saying for what you're saying, would you apologize for being wrong? Oh. Wow. He said no. He still won't apologize even if he's wrong. Wow. Talk about tyranny. Oh my God. Lord help us. Did you guys call 911 or? Yes, sir. Really? And it's not an emergency? That's abuse of 911, I think.
B.
It is. It's no emergency.
At counter 4.
Yeah, so again, we're here at the DMV. I had a calculus of employees come up and tell me that what I'm doing is unlawful. However, like I said, here's a sign here on the walls.
511.
There's a few of them around with no statues attached to them, no laws, no codes, anything of that nature. So we shall see. We definitely should see once the cops get here. Hopefully they'll they won't help them or aid them into violating my rights as well. So you guys stay tuned. We'll see how this goes. Right now, as far as I'm going, it's a fail. So hopefully the cops come in and convert it into a pass. That's security again. I can see that he's getting kind of, he's getting agitated. You can tell he's getting agitated. It's like when when they don't have any authority and you flex your rights, they get agitated. Especially when you got to stay calm, meek, humble. There's no need to get irate. Just explain your situation, what you're here to do. It's on them to honor it, or dishonor it. At this point right now, they're not honoring it. So, again, like I said, I'm here actually to conduct business as well. I was trying to tell that to the manager guy that's walking back there, if you guys can see, white shirt there. I was trying to explain it to him, and, he started to cut me off. So he didn't even give me a chance to convey precisely what I was doing here, in addition to recording. So I'll explain it to the cops when they get here. Because I'm not going to run or anything. I haven't done anything wrong, so we'll see.
Okay, go to the up to that number. There is a counter.
Go, buddy, think he can outdress me.
And then go right into cashier. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. All right, so hold on to this. We're going to take a seat, and I'll this list is uploaded into your file, okay? All right, thank you.
Zoom that out a little bit. It's kind of too close, man. Y'all bear with me, man. Just starting to try to get used to this camera stuff, with all the zoom effects and things of that nature. But yeah, this is kind of ludicrous, man. They need to be educated, man, on citizens first, second, third, fourth, all the amendments, all our rights, and obviously they're not educated at all. So like I said, hopefully when the cops get here, they'll educate them. We'll see. We'll definitely see. If they take too long, man, to get here, what I will do is stop it at one point, and then we'll resume with part 2. So hopefully they're on the way, like they said. I don't see them out here yet.
Go ahead and clean that up.
serving E 512 at counter 13.
Let's see the report. Let's see this important notice on the wall here. See what it says. Just an important notice about COVID-19. Okay. Oh man, this is crazy, man. We got a cam back. We had a cam back. I missed it. This guy in the blue sweater right here. He did a cam back. I almost missed it. Yeah, that guy right there just did a cam
Now
back.
serving
I think I caught it at the end.
812 at counter 16.
I don't understand the logic. Like, let's think about this for one moment. How are they able to like just record us? You see that? You see our friendly reminder right there in front of that big screen?
Now serving
That's our friendly reminder that they're always recording us. Always.
at
But
counter
we can't record them.
6.
Somebody please help me make it make sense. Like, I'm willing to pay whatever whatever the wager if somebody can make that make sense.
At counter 6.
Help me understand that. It's crazy.
Now serving are 813 at counter 15.
Actually, I'm gonna go stand in line too, so I can ask some questions about what's all needed in terms of the renewed driver's license, state ID. Is a birth certificate required, social security card, things of that nature. Guess I can do that while I'm waiting around. We'll see.
Now serving at 623 at counter 11.
Again, I guess that's the supervisor, manager of some sort. I don't know his position. He was all over the place when we was talking, so I don't know. We'll see, man. We definitely will see.
Now serving B 240 at counter 8.
We'll see. They said they dialed 911. If they dialed 911, you would think they would have been here. But maybe they're just bluffing.
Now serving E 513 at counter 4.
Maybe they're bluffing. Maybe the cops aren't coming. Definitely gonna see. I can tell this guy, he's walking around, he's hot as a firecracker. I can tell this dude is hot as a firecracker walking around. Security is too though, but yeah, they'll be all right though. They'll be all right. Definitely will be all right.
Yeah, they'll give it to everyone.
This guy right here did a cam back, man. And I missed it. I think I might have got it though. We'll see. We'll definitely see.
Go around this way, you can do it on this side. Underneath there, they're gonna call you by your name short.
So like I said, we're gonna see what's all needed for a new driver's license and state ID. We'll see. So, sir, I'm just needing some information on what's all needed for like a state ID, new state ID, new driver. No, it'll be like a renewal.
A renewal?
Yeah.
You have with your.
Nah, I need, like I lost it, so I need. What do I need to bring in? To?
Oh, it could be either a debit card, it could be under your name, of course.
Of course.
Social security, a passport, or a birth certificate. You should be good to go.
So either of those things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you need the address or no?
No.
That's it.
So just social or a birth certificate.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Make an appointment. We good to go.
All right. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. Thanks, man. Appreciate your professionalism. To say the least for the rest of them, though. I'm trying to see. They said they called 911. And you know, that's supposed to be an emergency. But well, they probably know it's no emergency. They probably called them and said, you know what, we have a guy here at the DMV that's recording. They're probably not going to show up off of that fact alone. So it's probably why they're not here. I mean, if I was a cop, I wouldn't show up for it either. It's not nothing that's against the law. Think about it. If they would have called 911 and said there's a guy here with a gun, they would have been here instantaneously. So, but then again, maybe they on a donut break or something. I think I seen a Dunkin' Donuts across the street, so they probably could have stopped there and got a 12 order or something. I'm not sure. We'll see. Oh man.
Now serving A117 at counter 13.
The Alex guy that I just met with at the front there that gave me the information on renewing driver's license, state IDs, and then he was real good, man. Probably out of all employees, he remained professional. The camera didn't seem to affect him. Alex gets an A. At this point, at least.
Now serving F620.
They're probably busy, man. They probably don't have time to come and violate anyone's rights today. Definitely.
Now serving XE 101 at counter 6. Now serving X 527 at counter 4.
I know the cops are taking all day, right? They're probably on a donut break across the street there. Oh man, where you guys' sense of humor at? Come on, come on.
Now serving B 241 at
I see the security guy walk past and threw his hands up at the supervisor guy, like, what the heck, where are they at? He just shrugged his shoulders like, oh, well. I mean, the police, think about it. If the police was told precisely what I'm doing over the phone, they probably wasn't dispatched. Probably nobody's gonna get dispatched because it's not against the law. You know, we don't have any ill intent today. There's nothing nefarious that I'm doing. So I wouldn't show up either. But like I said, then again, maybe they are on the way. This town is not that big, so I would see how long would it take them to get here. This guy right here, yeah, he shrugged his shoulders like, I don't know. Like, what was that dog? What was the name of that dog? Was it the Jet? Was it Dino? Scooby-Doo? I don't know. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Lord help us. Man, I seen a very disturbing video this morning, man. I saved it, man, but it was all messed up, man. I guess I'm gonna actually share it on my channel, man, so you guys can check it out, man. It's got to be one of the most disgusting videos I've seen, man. You know, the tyrannical behavior in that one is just, oh my God. Oh, I thought, oh, okay. That guy looked like he was gonna be a cop, but he looks like he's just another security guy. Anyway, man, it was all messed up, man. I guess they had someone like in a hospital laying on a gurney, and there was like 5 or 6 police officers surrounding them, and they was waiting on a warrant from a judge to get this guy's blood. So I guess they must have asked him for blood. He denied it, like, no, I have a right to, you know, basically deny you guys my blood. So they called the judge on a personal cell phone, and the judge sent some type of letter over through the phone, like, yeah, that's my signature. And man, they ended up wrestling this dude down and aggressively and drew his blood, like, with a syringe and everything, man. That's terrible, man. I couldn't believe it, man. I can't believe it. I guess that's got to be the worst of all police interactions I have ever seen, ever. So I'm gonna definitely share it on the channel for you guys to check it out.
Now serving
It's like going, it's 30 minutes, man.
at
Oh, okay, I think I see a couple of cops coming. You know what, let me meet them outside, just in case this guy tries to tell them something different. We don't want him to do that. You guys here for me? Probably so.
He's asking questions about it.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I was just.
You have a question?
Well, actually, I have a statement.
Okay.
I was just trying to inform these young men that what I was doing. I'm an independent journalist. I'm gathering content for a story for possible publication.
Okay.
They did show me the signs that they had posted, and I was trying to tell them that that's not law. There's 3 things about a policy.
Explaining them that myself.
Oh, okay. Well, I appreciate that, officer, because there's 3 things about a policy. Policy is not law. Policy doesn't have the force of law, and if I ignore the policy, I'm not breaking the law.
Correct.
So that's all I was trying to convey to them as well. They wasted you guys as resources even coming out here. Sorry about that.
With all the laws.
What'd you say again, sir?
Not everybody's familiar with all the laws.
Absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. I appreciate you for.
You're on state property. You're free to record.
Man, I appreciate that. What's your guys'
You
name?
realize as long as you do not impede the business.
Of course. Of course.
Disrupt or impede business.
Of course. I'll never do anything like that. I'm not here to, like I said, I told him I'm not here to do anything nefarious. I don't have any ill intent.
Okay.
Just trying to make sure that my rights are not infringed on by anyone.
You have a good day.
Yeah, what's your name, officer, and badge number? I can't pronounce it. I don't want to get it wrong. It's
Dinah, 644.
Appreciate that. And you too, sir?
672.
Man, thanks a lot, man. You guys, appreciate you guys for honoring your oath. Thanks a lot. Oh, so cops came and educated the guy that what I'm doing is not illegal. He even said so himself that, you know, and not everybody's and you know, not everybody knows the law. I can understand that. But when you come aggressively trying to show posters and signs and things of that nature, trying to make that law, then that's where it becomes a problem. So everything's good. Yeah, so police came and
Come in.
hopefully the security will be here to educate everyone. The cops just said I'm good to do whatever I'm doing. It was great. We're going to see how this guy feel when he come back in. Let's see.
Now serving B.
Yeah, they said I couldn't, though. They called cops and everything. So did you get educated?
Oh, yeah.
Now, can I get an apology?
For what?
For saying I couldn't do it.
For getting in our way here?
Really?
Yeah, you're just walking around bothering everyone.
I'm bothering everyone. You're the only one complaining, sir.
I'm not complaining.
But the
I'm
cop-
just giving you my opinion.
But the cops just said I was good to go, so I can't have an apology?
You do whatever you like.
Oh, man, no transparency. I'm sure you do. Oh, my God. See, that's what it is. See, when you invoke your rights, now they're upset because they know they were wrong. We're going to call this a fail and a pass. It's a fail on the DMV, but it's a pass on the police department. How you doing? Manager?
Have you record in here?
Huh?
I'm sorry, I can't have you record in.
Oh, look, watch what he say. Watch what he say. Listen. Look, Waukegan's out
Is he
there.
waiting for?
No, the police right there.
He's waiting for a number?
No, the police is there.
Are you here to do anything, sir?
The police is there.
Are you here to do anything?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Oh, but you expect us to answer your question?
Well, you're a public official, sir.
Yeah, but you're
Can you give me some footage? You're getting kind of close.
No, it's fine. Is there anything that we can help you with today?
No, just to please don't infringe on my rights. That'll be a great help.
All right. Well,
Thanks.
if there's not anything we can do, we'd like you to exit the building.
Well, after I get my information, I will exit. Now I'm being
Who are you working
harassed.
with? No, you're not.
You know why I'm being harassed? Because the
Who are you
cops
working
just
with?
told the personnel here that I'm legal to do what I'm here to do, and you're still here infringing on me. That's harassment.
Have a good day, sir. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot. So again, you know, at this point it will be harassment. That the cops has already conveyed to the personnel here that it's totally legal what I'm doing. However, they still asking me to leave and stop recording. This is ridiculous. We're just gonna hang around for a couple of more moments, you know, make sure everything's cool. And the cops, they were great. And just wait to see what's going on. You guys can see, I'm talking to him right there. Still. And like I said, man, when you get these cops like this, man, you know, they're gonna come in now, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's going on. Like I said, as long as I'm not doing anything to impede, as long as I'm not interrupting the operations, I just heard the cops say that.
I already told you, you can't disrupt operations.
You're absolutely correct, and I
And
haven't.
you can't talk to the employees either.
Can't talk to them.
No.
Okay, well.
That is considered, I just got done telling you, you cannot disrupt operations.
But
that means you cannot record any paperwork.
Oh, of course not. That's not what I'm doing.
Your camera's up there. So
Well, I'm
work on
pointing
the
towards
table.
you. Pointing towards you, officer.
Not when you're up there. You're obviously talking towards them and the counter.
I didn't walk up there.
How did you talk to employees if you're not
Because they're walking up to me. I stood right here, and that young lady just walked up when I was standing there. Okay. So if they're telling you things like that, then they're lying to you.
Then you can record. You can talking to employees is not covered.
Okay. Well, I didn't know that.
You're the one that said you even know the law.
Well, hold on, officer. Even if they engage me, still don't talk to them?
If they're talking to you specifically.
Correct.
Not walking by you.
Yeah, they're walking up directly to me, still talking to me.
Okay.
So I have a right to talk back, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's all I'm doing. Like I said, I don't have any ill intent. I know everybody don't wants to be on camera, but look, see our friendly reminder? There's a camera. You guys are recording me right now.
Yes, we are.
So what's your plan, sir? You plan
Yeah, I'm just going to get a couple more shots, man, and get up out of here. Like I said, I'm just, see what I'm saying? All I'm doing is, like I said, I'm an independent journalist. I gather content for my audience, and I disseminate it to the public. Nothing nefarious. You ever heard of first?
No, I understand. I'm just saying because obviously they calling us, and so, like my partner was saying, then it's times where you start disrupting business, and that's what we're trying to just avoid. I mean, just sitting here recording.
Officer Jimenez.
Yeah.
What would be the definition of disrupting the business?
Whatever they're doing, if their employees should be dealing with other employees, but because they're dealing with you, you're disrupting business because now they're dealing with you instead of dealing with employees would be an example.
Okay, well then, if you think about that, I'm not getting them to get away from their employees.
I don't know. I wasn't in here.
I understand. No, I understand.
I don't know.
But I'm saying what they're conveying to you.
Business here. You said you're just in here.
Well, I did. I went up there and talked to the young man about possibly renewing my driver's license, my state ID. So I did have official business. But even if I didn't want to do that, I still have a First Amendment right to record in here. That can be my official business.
I'm not telling you that.
No.
But just what he's talking about, the disrupting of the business. I mean, it's a public building.
Yeah.
But you can't come in here and act the fool. And then
Of course not.
They're going to say, hey, don't leave our property.
Of course. Of course not.
different.
Of
So-
course we can't come in here. But I'm just somebody walking in with a camera. Come on now.
Oh, yeah.
You feel what I mean?
No, I hear you.
You know what I mean? And you know what the thing gets? It gets to being twisted up into different things. I'm gonna say it's a disrupting because I don't want him to do it. But it's not legally I'm disrupting the business. Of course not. Just walking with a camera? Of course not. It's just they don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be on camera, but you can't.
Off of their whatever their policies. That's why they got these signs up there for their policies.
And you know what? That's an unconstitutional policy.
But they're going off. I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying that's what they're
going off of
and saying,
course.
Hey, their bosses say, hey, this is what's going on. So they're simply trying to enforce what they've been
told. Of course. I understand that. Well, like I said, man, hey, as far as you guys, man, you guys get a pass, man. You ever see those First Amendment? You know about the First Amendment? That's precisely what's going on. So I give the Waukegan Police Department a pass, man, in terms of you guys upholding your oath. The DMV is definitely a fail, but I mean, I got everything I need, so I'm gonna be up out of here, man.
I appreciate it, man.
You know,
I know you're doing your thing. It is what it is.
Yeah.
We're just here to keep the peace and
of course.
Tell you what we can, tell them what we can, and that's about it, man.
I appreciate that, man. Thanks a lot, Officer Jimenez.
Yep.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot. I don't want to interrupt the officer, but I do want to shake his hand and applaud him as well. Well, man, I mean, you know what? I did like 3 of these, man. Like, man, Social Security office.
Oh.
And I was down at the probation office, man, and all the officers did great, man. You guys, man, the department is good, man. As far as I can tell, I did have one cop illegally detain me at Walmart for not showing a receipt, but he was off duty.
Oh.
Yeah. Officer for Dina?
Jeff.
Okay, Jeff, man, I appreciate you again. Getting ready to get out of here. But I definitely appreciate you guys coming to educate the DMV on our rights. I'm getting ready to leave now. Thanks a lot. So again, man, that's it. Like I said, I give the police department a pass. I give the DMV a fail, even though it's crazy that they came and told them what I was doing. They said what I was doing was legal to do. However, they still tried to infringe on the right. No, the police told me I was good to go. All right. Yes, sir. Man, hey, you know what, man? Follow my channel, bro. Yeah. I just started it up, man. Matter of fact, you know what?
I'll be ready to do shit
Yeah,
like that.
man, I'm telling you, man.
Yeah,
You know,
they can rush.
it's about you know, just transparency, man. You know what I'll do? I'll text you, bro, and
Text me. I'm doing. You be studying the law and shit?
man. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. What's your number?
224-229-2953.
2953.
Lock me in as Dre. D-R-E.
Dre, I got you, bro. I'm gonna call
Text
you.
me. My phone number. Just text me.
I got you. All right, for sure. Again, yeah, you know, like I said, even after the cop conveyed to them that yeah, he's good to go, everything he's doing is legal, they still had a problem. So, y'all like, share, subscribe for me. We're gonna be doing these, like I said, we're gonna be doing them all over. It is what it is. Yeah, like I said, the police department definitely get a pass, but the DMV definitely get a fail. So like I said, y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all stay in tune with me. I'm gonna be doing these everywhere. Gone.
There you have it, Tyrant Terminator audits. He plays just not checkers with these people. Go give him a follow. The link of his channel, it's in the description of this video. Till the next one.